Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can generate an e-invoice on Tally Prime, so let's get right into it. So first step is to generate an IRN and print a QR code, and to get the invoice system, first you need to register your business on IRP and then create an API user by selecting Tally India as the GSP. You have to enter this API or its user credentials in Tally Prime when you're prompted, so make sure you do this first. I have covered this in a different tutorial, so please check that out if you have any other questions. Then in Tally Prime, you need to enable e-invoicing, enter the correct HSN or SAC tax rates and type of supply details in the ledgers and of the stock items. Then you need to enter the correct address, PIN code, and GST-IN or UIN in the party masters. Then update the ISO code for all your foreign currencies if you're an exporter. Then you need to generate an IRN while saving your invoice and also print the QR code, and you do this by specifying the required voucher details, such as the party account name, sales ledger, name of item, GST ledger, and so on. And to know how to use the multiple GST registrations feature, you need to refer to the Enable GST for your company section in the Getting Started with GST in Tally Prime. So check that out on Tally Solutions, on help.tallysolutions. Then you need to ensure that your invoice numbers do not start with 0 or special characters such as a / or hyphen. Invoice numbers starting with 0 or any of the above special characters will be rejected by IRP. Then you need to set provide e-invoice details to yes. The e-invoice details screen will appear and it looks like this, and you need to specify the bill of place and ship to place. If this is your first invoice for the party, then you need to click Ctrl-A to save the details and to return to the voucher, and then press Ctrl-A to save the voucher again, press enter to continue, then specify the e-invoice login details and press enter. And in case of multiple registrations, log in with the credentials of the GST registration of which the login screen is displayed. If there is some network issues or in other such scenarios, then the screen displays request not sent and login cancelled. But if you have been successful, this will appear e-invoice generated successfully. You need to print the invoice, and the e-invoice with the IRN and QR code will appear as here, as you can see here, and the QR code is in the top right, as you can see. And there are some mandatory details for generating the e-way bill with e-invoice. Firstly, distance in kilometers, the vehicle number and vehicle type, the dock lading RR airway number, if the mode of transport is other than road. And that's pretty much it. Then to generate bulk invoices or IRNs, you need to press Alt-Z, which is for exchange, and then send to e-invoicing. The send to e-invoicing screen will appear, and you can view the pending transactions for generation and cancellation. Then select the required transactions and press S, which is send, to send the details. And if you press S with selecting any transaction, all of them will be sent, so make sure you do that. Then it will pretty much show you this screen, which will show you the for IRN generation invoices and for IRN cancellation. Then you choose yes or no, depending on if the numbers are correct. Then you press enter to continue, specify the e-invoice login details and press enter, and the summary will appear, and then you press any key to continue and it will be generated. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.